Okay, welcome back to Alpha's videos. We are still at Horton Road. We are waiting for the... if my thing wants to load. The 1717 Cheltenham Spot Swindon service. Worked by 802022. Which has left the station already. And we've only been down fully, what, 35 seconds? And then the 1720 service from Cheltenham worked by 8020. Here comes the first one. Stage down. Wonderful. There is a Swansea to London Paddington in the station now. That doesn't leave until 5:30. That's fine. Gives me time to get myself into another position. And here comes the other one. Wonderful. Oh, okay, we're staying down. What's coming now then? Oh no. Guessing because I wanted to take a while. Alright, there we go. See you guys on the next closure.